Okay, so this is the, I don't know, I lost count video of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In this step, we're going to be solving this whole white face. This step is also called OLL, which stands for orientation of the last layer. So, the first part of this is to orient this cross. The algorithm to do this is F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And there are three cases. So the first case is like this. You have this L shape. You have two edges that are next to each other and they're oriented. You're going to hold it up here on the top left. Well, back left, I guess, if you're looking at it like this. F, U, R, F prime. Yeah. And that'll get you the cross. The other case, or I guess there's two others, is like this. You have this bar. You're going to hold it so it's horizontal. You're going to do the algorithm F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And then you get the L. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And you have the cross. The final one, I can't get it. I am horrible at setting up cases. Eventually I will get it. Okay, there it is. The last one is when you have nothing oriented. So the way you're going to do this is you have to do the algorithm 3 times. So you do F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. You get the bar. You turn it. So now the bar is horizontal. You do it again. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Now you have the L. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Now you have the cross. Yay. Now, if you're lucky, you have a whole face now. But you probably aren't lucky. So now you have to do what's called orienting the corners. There are 7 cases for this. But they can all be solved using one algorithm, and I'll show you how. So, yeah. The first case looks like this. This is the case that you're going to try and bring everything to. You have one edge solved, and then you have another edge in the right face facing you. So you do the algorithm. The algorithm is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And that gets you the whole face. Next case looks similar. You have one solved edge over here, but instead of this white one facing you, it's now over here. So you do the algorithm, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then you have the first case, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then you should have a fully oriented top layer. Next case looks like this. You have no corners oriented, and they're like opposite each other. So you have here and here. To do this, you're going to hold them sideways, so you have corners facing right and left. Do the algorithm, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then you have the first case, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then you should have a fully oriented top layer. Okay, the next case looks like this. You have 2 edges that are facing front and back, 2 edges that are facing right and left. You're going to hold it so that you have 2 edges facing right and left and 2 edges facing front and back right here. You're going to do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then you have the first case. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And full oriented layer. Next case looks like this. You have 2 edges oriented diagonally and 2 that are not oriented diagonally. You want to hold it so that there's an edge facing you in the right. You do R, U, R, R prime U, R U2 R. And then you have a case that we have not talked about yet. To solve this case, you do the same thing. You make sure the two corners that are oriented are in the back, the two that aren't are facing you, and you do the same thing. R U, R prime U, R U2 R prime. Then you have the second case, R U, R prime U, R U2 R prime. And then the first case, R U, R prime U, R U2 R prime. Yay. One last case, and it's fun. Okay, this is the last case. It looks similar to the other one. You have two oriented and two unoriented, but this time they're facing the sides. You're going to hold this like this, so you have the two oriented over here, two unoriented on your left. You're going to R, U, R prime U, R, U2, R prime. And then you get the second case, R, U, R prime U, R, U2, R prime. First case, R, U, R prime U, R, U2, R prime. And now you should have a fully oriented layer. If you don't, like, let's say that you forgot which case it was, and so instead of holding it the right way, you held it another way and it led to another case. Don't worry, just do the other case. It happens. So yeah, now we're going to move on to permutation. Thumbs up, we're almost there. Yeah. Hey, I forgot to do an example solve of OLL. So this video is not over yet. I'm just going to do the example solve real quick, and then the video will be over. So here it goes. As always, real speed up here, slow motion right here. So here it goes.